It is about using our blessings to bless others, our time to serve, and our resources to create lasting impact. Instead of gifts, I humbly ask for donations to the Tree of Life Legacy, an initiative for St. Paul's Church's upcoming 50th anniversary, which I have the honor of leading. Its purpose is to beautify our campus grounds by replacing dead trees and plants that have withered over the years with new life, new growth that future generations can enjoy. Celebrating my birthday alongside this initiative just feels right. Because for me, the best way to celebrate life is to give back and create something meaningful, something that will last longer than this moment and bless others long after today. As I step into another year, my hope is simple: to keep growing, not just, I don't have my glasses, not just older but wiser, not just busier but more intentional, not just blessed but a blessing. I pray that this Tree of Life Legacy continues to grow and becomes a living reminder of what we accomplished with heart and purpose. I am deeply grateful for my family, friends who feel like family, and relatives who traveled from out of state just to be here with me, and for this community that continues to show up and support. I'd like to sincerely thank Jojo Concepcion, St. Paul Music Director, for accepting to be my MC and DJ. Please give them a hand. Jazz dancers for sharing their talent. Yay! Pampanga Cuisine for the wonderful food. Lerma for beautifully decorating the room. Cecil Maglalang, who did the dessert fruit table. And also for the dessert, the charcuterie fruit with Ria Luz o Buhay Buhay sa Amerika. And most especially to Father Bruno, St. Paul's Church Pastor, for allowing us to use the hall, and Father Jess for the opening prayer and grace before meals. Thank you as well to Father Troy, Father Reggie, and everyone who took the time to be here tonight. Thank you all for your generosity, your support through the years, and most of all, for sharing this beautiful evening with me. You all made my birthday celebration unforgettable.
Fabulously.
God bless us all. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Taz. That's a beautiful, heartfelt words. And once again, we're gonna call on her again too. So pretty much, she mentioned about the Tree of Life. We have here at St. Paul's 50th anniversary. We do have a Tree of